In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw and insert geometric shapes in GIMP. Whether you're brand new to GIMP or you've used it before and just never figured out shapes, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create clean rectangles, circles, and other basic forms for your designs. First, go ahead and open GIMP and load the image or create the blank canvas where you want your shapes to appear. It's always a good idea to work on a new layer so you can easily edit or remove your shapes later without affecting the rest of your project. To do that, look for the Layers panel and add a new transparent layer. Make sure that new layer is selected before you start drawing. Now, let's create a basic rectangle or square. From the toolbox, choose the Rectangle Select tool. Click and drag on your canvas to define the area where you want your shape. Don't worry about perfection at first. You can adjust the edges by dragging the corners or sides of the selection. If you want a perfect square, hold down the Shift key while dragging so the proportions stay locked. Once your selection is in place, you have two main options. You can fill the inside to create a solid shape, or you can just outline it. To make a solid rectangle, pick a foreground color that you like, then go to the Edit menu and choose Fill with FG Color, or use the corresponding shortcut if you know it. The selection will be filled, giving you a solid geometric shape on its own layer. If you prefer only the outline, keep the selection active and go to the Edit menu again, but this time choose Stroke Selection. A small dialog will appear where you can set the line width and style. Thicker strokes create bold graphic shapes, while thinner strokes are useful for subtle outlines or UI mockups. Confirm your settings, and GIMP will draw the outline around your selected area. For circles and ellipses, the idea is exactly the same, but you'll use the Ellipse Select tool instead of the Rectangle Select tool. Click and drag to form your circle or oval. Hold Shift if you want a perfect circle. Again, once you're happy with the selection, either fill it for a solid shape or use Stroke Selection for just the border. You can combine these techniques to build more complex graphics. For example, place multiple shapes on separate layers, move them around with the Move tool, and adjust their colors using the Bucket Fill tool or color adjustments. If you ever make a mistake, simply undo and tweak your selection or layer. That's all you need to start drawing geometric shapes in GIMP. With these simple tools and a bit of practice, you'll be able to create buttons, icons, diagrams, and all kinds of graphic elements quickly and cleanly.